Hello. Today I would like to present what is a good teaching learning in my opinion. In my pedagogy research, I found the research of Biggs 1999 or Biggs and Tang in 2011 very interesting, in which constructive alignment is introduced as a didactic teaching for improving student learning quality. This theory shows how learning outcomes, teaching activities, and assessment are connected. Here in this figure, you can see we have three main area: learning goals, learning activity, and assessment. And a teacher job or task is to first clarify what is the learning goal of a course, and then define its learning or teaching activities in a way to cover or meet the learning goals he defined at the end of the course, or the content of course should be covered this. And assessment also should be designed aligned with the learning goals and learning activities. Here, the teaching activities is more focused on how to maximize the chance of a student level of engagement. Working in this way made the student understand that the only way to learn something properly is through their own effort. And this is what I really interested in this technique, and I would like to further research in this context and find out more about this content and how I can use these techniques or context in my teachings. But what I need to do to enhance learning quality in the context of constructive alignment, I divided the act that I need to do divided into 3 groups. The measures I need to do before starting the course, for example, set up a pre-meeting for justification my teaching method and my or the learning objective of the course, and also what I expected from a student, what they should do before every session of the course and after session of the course, and what a student expected from me. Then the second act or techniques I used is during the course. And for every session that I want to start a new subject or topic, I need to think about designing some teaching or learning method in order to enhance student engagement into the new topics. These learning or teaching activities are, for example, problem-based learning, where I define a project or a problem and ask a student to do it in group or individually. And the assignment at the end of this can be, delivering this project or solving this problem. I can do some research-based learning activities where I assign different research topics to different group of students and ask them to research on it and find out what they get from this research. And at the end of the course, they need to present, or each session, they need to present that research and write an essay about that topics. Or it can be some peer monitoring where I group students uh, and ask them to discuss about the topic or about the method with each other and try to teach each other uh, in their language what they understand from my short lecture. And in order to check also the quality of learning of the student, I will do some regular feedbacks from the student after each session or before starting the new session. I give them a follow-up questions or follow-up question regarding to the previous course to check the learning quality of the student regarding what I teach, and if it's needed to, I repeat it again or cover that part, just do it before starting new subject. The assignment also needs to be aligned with what I develop before the course and also during the course, which it can be delivering a project, essay, presentation, and at the end it can be also a combination of oral and written exam aligned with what I developed during the course. Thank you so much for your attention.